Humans dreamed of flying for thousands of years. Long before planes, people watched birds and wondered, why not us? From Leonardo da Vinci's sketches to flying machines that failed, the dream never died. In 1903, two brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright, changed history. Their wooden airplane flew for 12 seconds. But airplanes needed long runways. So engineers asked, what if we go straight up? In 1939, Igor Sikorsky created the first practical helicopter. Now humans could rise. Planes connected countries. Helicopters saved lives. From war zones to hospitals, from tourism to rescue, flight changed everything. From wooden wings to roaring engines. Humans didn't grow wings. They built them and taught the sky.